Welcome to this video on creating lists in SharePoint 2013. We'll review how to create lists for announcements, contacts, links, and tasks, and take a quick look at other lists available in SharePoint. Due to their unique settings and configuration, NCDOT has developed separate videos on calendars and custom lists, so be sure to take a look at our other videos on how to create a calendar and create a custom list and customize lists. Let's start by creating an announcements list in the Contributor Work Zone site. Click the Settings gear, then Add an App. Scroll down until you find the Announcements list on the Your Apps page, then click its icon. Let's look at the advanced options. Name the list. Because this name is also used in the address or URL, we should keep the name short and not use spaces or special characters. Once the list is created, we'll change its name to make it more descriptive. Add a description and click Create. The new announcements list appears on its own page. The default view is all items, and the columns in the default view are title and modified. Now let's look at the list settings. First, change the list name to something friendlier. Click List Name, Description, and Navigation Settings, and change the name. If you want a link to the list in Quick Launch, check this radio button. Click Save. Note that the title has changed, but the URL has not. Scroll down the page. Here are the columns available for use even if they do not all appear in the default view. The title column is critical. It cannot be deleted, but it can be renamed. And just like a file's title, this announcement's title appears in the search results. And here's the default view of all items that was also automatically created. Let's look at our new list. Here's an example of a similar list that already contains some announcements. Next, let's create a contacts list. Click the Settings gear, then Add an App. Scroll down until you find the contacts list on the Your Apps page, then click its icon. We'll skip the advanced options and just enter a short name with no spaces or special characters. Once you click Create, you'll see the contacts list on the Site Contents page, marked with a green New icon. Click the icon to view the contacts list. The default view is all contacts, and these are the columns in the default view. The paperclip is a column that indicates whether there are attachments. Let's change the list name to something simpler. So click the List tab, List Settings, and List Name Description and Navigation Settings. Update the name. And here's our chance to enter a description since we couldn't do it earlier. Click Save. Scroll down to see the numerous columns that are available. In a contacts list, the last name column serves as the title column and cannot be deleted. Here is the default view of all contacts. Let's look at our new list. And let's look at a similar list to see how it's used. To create a links list, click the Settings gear, then Add an App. Scroll down until you find the links list on the Your Apps page, then click its icon. Enter a short name without spaces or special characters. Click Create and you'll see the links list on the Site Contents page. When you go to the list, you'll see that the default view is all links, and there are columns for the Edit icon, for URL, and for notes. Click the List tab, List Settings, and List Name, Description, and Navigation Settings to change the list name. Enter a description and click Save. These are the available columns and the default view of all links. The URL column serves as the title column and cannot be deleted. Let's go to our new list. And here's an example of a similar links list. As our final example, we'll create a tasks list. Click the Settings gear, then Add an App. This time, let's use the search feature to find the tasks list on the Your Apps page. Click its icon. Enter a short name without spaces or special characters. Click Create and you'll see the tasks list on the site contents page. Click its icon. The default view is all tasks, but unlike our previous lists, several other views are created, and there's a timeline at the top of the list. Click the List tab, List Settings, and List Name, Description, and Navigation settings. Change the list name. We'll enter a brief description and click Save. These are the available columns. The Task Name column serves as the title column and cannot be deleted. And here are the 7 views. Now let's take a quick look at our new list. I'm going to move to a similar tasks list that already contains several entries so we can better understand the views. These 4 columns, Completed, Task Name, Due Date, and Assigned To, are used in 5 of the 7 views. The All Tasks view is a simple list of all tasks in the list. The Completed view only shows tasks that have been marked complete. The Late Tasks view displays overdue tasks. The My Tasks view shows tasks assigned to the current user, and the Upcoming view lists tasks with upcoming due dates. The Gantt chart view is a traditional project management view. And the Calendar view displays information in a wall calendar format. Like libraries, there are many ways to modify these lists for your specific needs. It's easy to learn more by reviewing other videos on versioning, columns, views, settings, and custom lists. And as with any app you've added to a page, you can edit the List View web part to modify a view for that particular page. Let's quickly cover a few additional SharePoint lists. With issue tracking, you can manage requests, bugs, and other issues. You can assign a responsible person, update status, add comments, and set priorities and due dates. 2 lists require that participants have edit or contribute permissions. Surveys are a method to collect information from your users, and a discussion board is a forum for users to communicate with their team, raise issues, and ask questions. 2 other lists are reserved for use by web services. Promoted links let you display links as icons rather than text, and an external list retrieves data from applications outside of SharePoint. In this video, we've examined how to create lists for announcements, contacts, links, and tasks. We've also described other available SharePoint lists. We encourage you to check out our other SharePoint videos, as well as the reference and training materials on the SharePoint Help site. On Connect NCDOT, there is a link to help on every page. Go to the main Help page and click SharePoint Help to see the SharePoint Help information. On Inside NCDOT, there is a link to the Help site in the header and footer of every page. Those links also take you to the SharePoint Help site. For information on upcoming SharePoint classes, log into Beacon and check the LMS training calendar, or contact the PC Training Group. Thanks for watching.